Exercise 14.2 mode. Mode is equal to L1 plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Question number first. Given the following table shows the ages of the patients admitted in a hospital during a year. Age in years, that is class interval. Number of patients, that is frequency. Class interval is 5 to 15, 15 to 25, 25 to 35, 35 to 45, 45 to 55, and 55 to 65. Number of patients, that is frequency, given 6, 11, 21, 23, 14 and 5. Largest number in frequency is F1 and F0, F2. Largest number is F1 and F0 is 21, F2 is 14, but in this direction in L1 class size 35 to 45, L1 is equal to 35. So formula of mode is equal to L1 plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. L1 is equal to 35, F1 is equal to 23, F0 is equal to 21, F2 is 14, and the difference between 15 and 5 is equal to 10. 25 and 15 is equal to 10, and same, that is 10, but H is equal to difference of class interval. So mode equal to L1 plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 multiplied by H. Putting all these values in this formula, mode is equal to 35 L1 plus F1 23 minus F0 21 divided by 2 into 23 minus F0 is 21 and F2 is 14 multiplied by H is 10. So mode is equal to 35 plus 23 minus 21, that is 2 multiplied by 10, 23 2s are 46, 23 2s are 46 minus 14 plus 21 is equal to 35. Mode is equal to 35 plus 20 upon 11. 20 divided by 11. 11 1s are 11. 9.08 are 88. This implies mode is equal to 35 plus 1.8 mod is equal to 36.8 answer. 20 divided by 11 equal to 1.8 and 35 plus 1.8 is equal to 35 plus 1 36.8 answer. Age in years, class interval is 5 to 15, 15 to 25, 25 to 35, 35 to 45, 45 to 55, 55 to 65. And class interval, that is frequency, number of patients is number of patients is frequency 6, 11, 21, 23, 14 and 5. So in this frequency, biggest number or largest number is F1 and F0 is 21, F2 is 14 and L1 is equal to 35. So H is equal to the common difference between the class interval 15 minus 5 is 10, that is H. H, F2, F0, F1 and L1, and we are applying the formula mod equal to L1 plus F1 minus F0 upon 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. And putting all these values in this formula, we get 35 minus 23 minus 21, that is 2. Multiply by 10. 2 into 23, 46. Minus 21 minus 14, that is minus 35. 46 minus 35 is 11. And 20 divided by 11 is equal to 1.8. So 35 plus 1.8 equal to 36.8 answer. Mod is equal to 36.8. And mean of the data. 5 and 15, that is 20. 20 divided by 2 is 10. 20. 15 plus 25 is equal to 40, divided by 2 is equal to 20. 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. Di is equal to xi minus a. Let a is equal to 30. 10 minus 30 is minus 20. Minus 10, 0, 10, 20 and 30. Fi di. Fi is this. 20 multiplied by 6 is equal to minus 120. 11 tens are 110. Negative, that is 0. And 21 multiplied by 10. 21 multiplied by 0, that is 0. 23 multiplied by 10 is equal to 230. And 14 multiplied by 20 is equal to 280. 150. And sum of positive number is equal to 0, 16, 2, 4, 6, 660. And sum of negative number is equal to 0, 3, 2, minus 230. So 660 minus 230 is equal to 0, 3, 4. That is positive 430. So summation Fi di is equal to 430. And sum of frequency Fi is equal to 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 3 12, 13 14 plus 6 20, 3 5 7 8, that is 80. Assumed mean x dash is equal to a plus summation fi di divided by summation fi, that is equal to a is 30 plus fi di is 430 divided by 80. 0 0 is cancel, but 43 divide 8. 8 5s are 40. 3.0 8 3s are 24. 6 0 8 7s are 56. 4 8 5s are 40. That divides 5.375, and mean is equal to x dash is equal to 35.375 approx answer. Age in years, class interval is 5 to 15, 15 to 25, 25 to 35, 35 to 45, 45 to 55, and 55 to 65. Frequency is given 6, 11, 21, 23, 14, and 4. So xi, that is mid value, 5 plus 15 divided by 2, that is equal to 20 divided by 2. 20 divides 2, 10 to jar 20. And 15 plus 25 is 40 divides 2, that is equal to 20. 30, 40, 50, 60. And xi, let us assume a is 30 and di is equal to xi minus a. Assumed mean method. 10 minus 30 is minus 20. 20 minus 30 is minus 10. 30 minus 30, that will be 0. 40 minus 30 is 10. 50 minus 30 is 20. 60 minus 30 is equal to 60. And that is di. So we multiply fi into di. 26 are 120. 11 10s are 110. That is negative value. So sum of 120 and 110 is equal to 230 minus 230. And b multiplied 23 into 10, that is 230. 14 multiplied by 20 is 280. 14 2s are 28, so 80. And 5 multiplied by 30, that is 150. And sum of positive number is equal to 660. 660 minus 230, that will be 430. So FIDI is equal to summation FIDI is 430. And sum of frequency is equal to 80, but assumed mean method x dash is equal to a plus summation FIDI upon summation FI. FIDI is 430, we put 430 here, divides FI is 680, and 0 0 is cancelled, and 43 divides 8, that is equal to 5.375. So mean is equal to 5.375 plus 30. 30 plus 5 is 35.375 approx answer. Question 2. The following data gives the information on the observed lifetimes in hours of 225 electrical components. We have given lifetimes in hours and frequency (0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80, 80 to 100, 100 to 120. 10, 35, 52, 61, 38, 29. Fi. In frequency, largest number is 61, that is F1, and F0 is 52, F2 is 38, and in this class interval L1 is equal to 60. L1 is equal to 60, F1 is equal to 61, F0 is equal to 52, F2 is equal to 38, and the difference between the class interval 0 to 20 equal to 20, 20 to 40 that will be 20, so H is equal to 20. Mod is equal to L1 plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 multiplied by H. So mod is equal to L1 is here 60 plus F1 is 61 minus F0 is 52 divided by 2 into F1 is 61 minus F0 is 52 minus F2 is 38 multiply by H is equal to 20. Mod is equal to 60 plus 61 minus 52 is equal to 9 into 20 divided by 62 multiplied by 2 is 122 minus 38 plus 52 is equal to 8 plus 2 10, 5 plus 3 8 plus 1 9. So mod is equal to 60 plus 9 2s are 180 divided by 122 minus 90 is equal to 2. 12 minus 9 is equal to 3. That is 32. 90 2s are 180. 16 2s are 32. 8 2s are 16 and 45 2s are 90. This implies mod is equal to 60 plus 45 divided by 8. 45 8. 8 5s are 45.0. 8 6 are 48. 2 0 8 2s are 16. 4 0 8 5s are 40. Complete. That is 5.625. And addition of 60 plus 5.625 is equal to 65.625. Answer. Lifetimes in hours. Class interval 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80, 80 to 100, 100 to 120, and frequency is 10, 35, 52, 61, 38 and 29. In this frequency, biggest number, largest number is 61, that is F1, and F2 is 38 and F0 is 52. Say in same direction in class interval, 60 is L1, but L1 is 60, F1 is 61, F0 is 52, F2 is 38, and H is in class interval difference between 0 and 20. 20 minus 0, that will be 20, and 40, difference between 40 and 20 and 40, that is also 20. H equal to 20, and we are applying the formula mod L1 is equal to L1 plus F1 minus F0 upon 2, F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. L1 is 60 plus F1 is 61 minus 52 divided by 2 into 61 minus F0 is 52 minus F2 is 38. 61 minus 52, that is equal to 9 multiplied by 20, that is 9. 20 multiplied by 9 is 180. 61 multiplied by 2 is 122, and 52 plus 38, that is equal to 90, and 122 minus 90, we get 32, and 32 divides 2, 16 2s are 32, and 180 divides 2, 90 2s are 180, and 90 divides, which is divisible by 2 also, 45 2s are 90 and 8 2s are 16, but 45 divides 8, 8 5s are 40.0, 50 and 8 6 are 48, 50 minus 48 is 2, 1 0 once again, and 8 2s are 16, 20 minus 16 is 4, 1 0 again, and 8 5s are 40, that is completely divisible by 5.625. So mod equal to 60 plus 5.625, that is equal to 60 plus 5 is 65 plus 65.625 answer. Thank you so much.